hello everybody, let's go and kill some doys in Fallout 76. I'm recording, by the way. Did you know that?
Yeah, I knew that.
Yeah, that's pretty obvious, wasn't it?
There's a charity boy.
Where? Ah.
Already? He always chooses to reload at like this moment.
Ah, I've got some ammo.
Why did it green? Yeah, because we're Uncle members. Hello?
Oh, nice. Did you just kill them by accident? Nice.
Wait. It's this way.
Where? I'm picking up
Yeah,
a
you should
supply
have a
drop.
quest option. I'm gonna put just in front of it, so
Yeah.
that we just see the marker for reference purposes.
Okay. Oh, what the fuck?
Why you shoot at us now, bro?
Where is he? I can't see him. Ah, there he is. Okay.
He's dead.
Okay.
It's a turret, it's not a he.
We're trying to get a supply drop, so just in case.
No Scorched Beast Senpai. Cool.
Let's get him over here. Run. I love it. I actually love that.
At least we're exploring. I guess
Go
that's the only
subscribe
good
to
side about this.
Go subscribe to Conductive Gaming, by the way.
Oh, you will die.
What? No, I'm not. I'm
What?
alive.
What?
I'm alive.
Wait, I think I see one of the officers again.
Can you hear them?
I think I still, because they also have a red dot on their back, like flashing.
I can run.
No, it might have been a glitch. Oh, what was that?
It might just be that red building over there.
No, did you just not see it? Oh no, I think that's a rendering issue.
How many issues are there in this game? Oh
Some
Jesus, what the hell?
Pleasant Hills Cemetery. Oh, there's mongrel bees. Let's take them. Oh, there's a feral ghoul reaver.
Where is he?
Took him.
Oh, okay.
That's a very psychopath. Yeah, I'll take that.
Oh no, it's just a box. Oh, cap stash. Gimme.
Where's Cassius?
In the thing.
Judith.
No, you should get it as well.
Only one person can take it.
Mining headlamp. That's interesting, isn't it? This place
we're
doesn't come up with
exploring
my
that.
location yet. Oh, I've already had it.
Oh, we're exploring wood.
Oh, wood. Where? Gimme.
All these logs.
Oh, give me all this. What? Oh.
What's this?
This is what you call Louisburg.
How have I not discovered it yet? Ooh.
Maybe you've already just...
There we go.
Oh, damn it.
Wow, it's laggy. Ooh, but there we go. I think we should walk. We should be able to walk.
It's darker now. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Oh, it's on a building. That's not very nice, is it? Give me your caps.
Give me your caps. Or stim pack. I got a stim pack from that.
Sorry, see you later. Oh, fuck, sorry.
Oh, then, oh no, all these cars are respawn. Please don't go crazy. Oh no.
I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Oh, that's rads. Oh, come back here, you little bugger. Oh, Radix, give me that.
Oh, disease one.
Oh,
Wonderful.
gold pocket watch. Okay.
I can't see this guy. He's like there. Bottle cap.
There it is.
Syringe ammo. Okay, I'm just gonna take a stim pack. I have a few.
Oh, super mutants.
That's alright. Take him. Why? Lag.
God damn it, I can't
Something
destroy this.
attacking me.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm sorry. Swearing. No. Okay, we need to take them out.
Where there?
Oh, he sees me.
Whoa, he hurts.
Do you want me to go melee him?
Yeah, and I'll use back.
Damn it. Oh, fire.
Wow, I just critted him.
Oh no, there's dudes. Oh my god. Come, Jack. Behind you.
I can't move. There we go. Ready?
I got a spine from that.
I need to take another stim pack.
I
How need to deal with this guy? Oh no, they're right here. Stim pack and I will take them with pleasure.
Oh, I don't have hunting rifles. Oh bugger, that's not.
Oh, there's a few of them.
Oh, son of a gun. I'll just respawn.
I'm just gonna keep what I'm doing right now, and
I'm just gonna respawn. Okay, I'm back.
they all enforcers. I mean, why? Oh, you can't catch me. Oh, you can. Oh shit.
I'm gonna distract
I
them.
would go melee on them, but it literally does no damage. Okay, hit him. Headshots like do mega damage. Oh, he hit me straight in the eye. Little shit.
The AI is a bit broken. Oh my god. Okay, he's dead. Oh wow. Okay. Do that. Where is...
3.
Oh, he's on top of my stuff. Wow, what an asshole. And I just don't... And I'm overcumbered.
I'm gonna be over encumbered as soon as I pick up what's up. Well, there's a serrated blade switchblade mod. I'll take that.
Oh, use this laser gun. Yeah, I have some ammo.
Grab minitats. Fancy light snacks. I'll go call another. Wanna go call another one?
Yeah, I'm over encumbered though, so a bit awkward.
Let's head back to the relay tower.
Yeah, I can't because I'm very over encumbered.
I'm just gonna fast travel there. It's only 4 caps. I can't be. Because just wait. No, you should probably come.
I'm just gonna drop the weapons I can't use right now. Yeah, like a walking cane, but it sounds a bit useless, doesn't it? Quest started, death from above. What?
How did you do that?
No, I don't know. What's...
Attention citizens, nuclear strike imminent.
What? No.
Someone's launched a nuke.
Oh my god!
They launched on Fisher's Prime. That's broke.
What do you mean?
Just to repair it. It's not a lot to repair. I'll just repair a few. There we go. So a hollow tape.
I can hear Scorch Beast. There's gonna be a Scorch Beast Queen over there, but we're not gonna be able to see it, so...
Enemy airdrop requested. There we go. Oh, it's right by my camp. Fast traveling.
Okay, I'm gonna flash travel.
Launch in 3,
What's happening?
2, 1.
Well, that's something. What the hell?